Hey, it's Miss Gormley. These are just instructions for Cammrey and Layden for the next week of what I would like them to do. We've been working a lot on sight words, and so I have, if you'll see, follow my cursor over here, this video here that has all the sight words that we've gone over, and we're really trying to get nailed down in our memory. So I'd like for them to go over that at least once a day would be good, but they can go over it how many times ever you'd want them to. It's pretty short. You could do any kind of activities. You can make your own flashcards with these words. I don't know if you have any letters, they could build them. If you read a book and they find one of the words in there, kind of look for the word would also be a good activity. But then also, usually meet with them both 4 days a week. So there's a video for blending some sounds for each day. So we have one with the E, I, O, and A, all short vowels. So they can also do that. I also made an Epics book account for them. And if you look over here, this is the class code. And if I can, this is the login instructions. So I'll kind of leave that up for a minute. Maybe you might want to jot that down. Now, this is looks like the instructions for Android or Apple phone, or if you've got a laptop, there's some different instructions right here. So I'll leave that up there for a minute. So I made an account for each one of them, and I put 4 books there for them to the books will be read to them, but they can also read along with them. They can, read it multiple times. And not only can they have access to those books, I believe they should be able to go and check out any of the other books too. So if you see, I've got them both an account set up. So I don't know if I can show you. Oh, I can show you right here, I think, assignments. So here are the books. There's like a picnic with Kit, Big and Little, March, and then National Geographic Play Kitty. So, like I said, this is new territory for everybody. We'll kind of go through this week, and I'll get with you ladies and gentlemen and see how you liked how things went for Cammrey and Layden. I know they'll have activities and things to do from their teachers. Feel free to have them get on Imagine Learning. That's a great tool for literacy for both of them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this specific video that has the instructions, and then I'll also leave a link to my YouTube channel, because that's where, I'll click back on that, that's where all those videos will be for them. Like I said, this is the first time I'm doing this, so definitely if you have any questions on what they need to do, just, send me a message on Remind. I think that's just the quickest way and easiest for everybody. And I can get back with you, and hopefully we can make all this work. I hope to make a video for the kids sometime soon, but we've been busy with all trying to get this thing situated. But if you'll just tell Cammrey and Layden, give them a big hello for me. And hopefully we can all make this work. But don't stress out. Try to do what you can. Like I said, this is a learning process for everybody, and we're just going to take it one step at a time. All right, thanks.